Anthony to be playing Swing Coupler 2. Now this game is awesome. You can match game if you like. So let's go. Tap, tap, tap. First you do this. No, you actually... No, guys. So let's do this. Come on, you can do this. And you just don't do it. Okay. Let's do this. Oh my god. Come on. This is stupid, guys. No. Okay. Damn it. Okay, so we don't do it. Okay. Oh my god. Come on, this is serious. We need more serious. We need more serious. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Oh, you're joking, kidding me. Oh. Well, let's do this, guys. Okay. Come on. You're better. You can do everything you like. Okay. That one sucks. Okay. No. Oh, we started, guys. Okay. This one need to win. Okay. This one didn't win. Because he's a loser. That's right. He's a loser. Okay. Oh my god. I'm gonna get tapping for ages. Okay. So, oh my god. Come on. Fix it. Okay. Oh my god. 2. Oh my god, we're so close. What the hell? This is really frustrated. Oh, you joking, kidding me? All of that? Okay, we need to win this. Oh my god. Come on. Okay. Okay, we need to win this. We win the winners. Okay. Let's do this. We don't need to spare time, guys. We're gonna keep tapping for ages. Come on. Can we do this? No, we can't. Why? Oh my god. Okay. Can we do this? We can't. You joke? You can't do it? Oh my god. Come on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, what? What? You joking me? You can't do this? Okay. Come on. We need 20. We need 20. We need 20. We need 20. Okay. Oh, we don't know. Come on. How best we can go, paper. Okay. Oh my god. We're so close. Okay. Oh, we're so close. Okay. Come on. You actually so slow. Okay. You're joking, kidding me? You can't get up? Oh yes, you can. You can pick up anything you like. This game sucks. Your game sucks, guys. Better options. Better option, guys. Okay, what? Okay, I'm trying to do, guys. It's awesome. Like, come on. This is like. Come on. We need something. Come on. Okay, this one need to win. Okay, so this is so crazy. I know this is 6. Thank you.